as we try to deal with the impacts of climate change, we don't want to see that we set further problems ahead in train for future generations or even perhaps for our generation. So of course the question is critically important. That is why we need to set out our plan of action carefully. We have to take communities around the world with us, and we have to see, and I would love to see this, that there is a proper governance procedure in place so that no group, all acting on their own, can take actions which might jeopardize our future. But there is another side to this. If we don't manage the situation properly, we could find a negative reaction to what we're proposing to do, even when it may be the only way of saving humanity from climate change's challenges.